Today I'm going to show new laptop. This is Infinix GT Book laptop. I posted this laptop about what we are going to review this laptop. That community post we posted our community post. This is the laptop we posted about community post. This is the laptop we have that we tested for everyday task for video playback and it and for opening application tabs and performance we get is excellent, uh, and the basic functions such as Windows booting and the specs of the Infinix GT Book laptop is CPU Intel i9 13 Gen 3900H and it has 14 cores, 20 threads, base speed 2.6 gigahertz, max speed 5.4 gigahertz, RAM 32 GB LPDDR, 8 by 8, 8 slots with speed of 6000 megahertz, RAM speed, but you can't upgrade the RAM. It is most users don't require more than 32 GB RAM, but some users might require more than 32 GB RAM, like 64 GB or 128 GB or more. 32 GB is standard for resolution. This the GPU it has GeForce RTX 4060 GPU with 8 gigs of VRAM, GDDR6 video RAM. It has 1 terabyte of PCI Gen 4 SSD. It has only one SSD slot, but storage might be soldier or we don't know if the storage is, but it's not easily upgradable. Can't upgrade the RAM and storage in this. RAM is not upgraded, but storage might upgradable up to 2 terabyte SSD storage. This laptop, and it has Intel iRix, this integrated graphics card GPU with 16 gigs of total graphical memory for Intel iRix Xe graphics. I tested the Blender animation. There is also decent, but we tested 10K section. That one will show this notepad. These are the results. Okay, these are the results. Resolution was 1200p resolution because it's the native resolution of this laptop. Min samples 128, max 512, 0.1025 to 10K texture, so much complexity and GPU cycles, GPU rendering, render time about 1 hour 20, 1 hour 32 minutes for 10 seconds, 250 frames. Out of 32 GB RAM, only 10 to 30 GB temperature about 40 to 70 degrees Celsius. With 5 GB VRAM out of 8 gigs of VRAM. CPU utilization 10 to 70, but sometimes 100%. And we might be able to do more when more complexity. But when rendering that the animation is Blender, it did not show that. It show in Blender. this is how the animation is. But the animation is playing, but the animation of here, so this animation is not showing completely. It is only showing this much the earth and it was duplication and some issues we encountered. And it has RGB lights. Okay, for camera here, these are RGB lights it has, but you can customize light at GT control center. These are office mode, performance mode, gaming mode, but for games we haven't tested. But this is a gaming laptop. We haven't still tested. We still haven't tested for games because some games cost money. So these are the RGB lights. And customize it rainbow, grease, keep rainbow, but that's back zone lights. Put it backside. At backside lights. The lights are here. The backside. The build quality design. It has cyber mecha futuristic design. This top lid metal cover. It is durable and